We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more medical terms as well. So if that's what you're after, you've found the right channel. Make sure to stay tuned to learn more. But let's have a look at what it is and very briefly, and then we'll go on to how to pronounce it at not common, uncommon, not uncommon, congenital defect in which a vertebra is malformed. Schistorrhachis is how you say it, okay? So let's break it down. 4 syllables. Schistorrhachis. I know the spelling is utterly confusing, but it's easy. A stress on the store syllable. Schistorrhachis. Schistorrhachis. Remember? Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.